Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on a Murakami Dodgers long sleeve t-shirt. Now, if you are following the Louis Vuitton Murakami craze, you will know that this item and this flower specifically is all of the rage right now. Now, if you don't want to shell out hundreds or thousands of dollars, you could pick up one of these shirts, which is only $60. Now, it is a pretty basic long sleeve cotton shirt from Nike, so if you are familiar with that material, that's what you're going to get here, but it does have the smiley face cherry blossom, so it can be a little fun item just so you can play along without, breaking the bank. Now, the item came in that plastic bag as you saw, but it came super wrinkly. It was almost like shrink wrapped. We're gonna get into that in a second. You'll just see that it is kind of hard for me to show you right off the bat, but you'll get a better look once we put this on. Now, it had the cherry blossom flower as well as little petals cascading down each arm. So on the back you have more cherry blossoms as well as a flying baseball shooting through the air. You also have a Dodgers logo, and then you have some specifics for where this collection was released. So this was released in anticipation of the Tokyo Series MLB World Tour, where the Dodgers were playing the Chicago Cubs. So they also created some Cubs paraphernalia, but instead of the cherry blossoms, it had these super flat flowers. Now, I thought this one was a little bit cooler with the cherry blossoms, so I opted for this one. So let's go ahead and try it on. You are seeing I am wearing the small, and it fits pretty well. Honestly, I will just say it is a very basic tee. So it's not athletic. It's not the kind of shiny, slinky material. I wish that it was, because it would just be a little bit more worth it. And it would probably last a little bit better. But all in all, it is a really fun item. I'm glad I have something from the Cherry Blossom collection, because I think it's going to be pretty hard to find something from the Louis Vuitton collection. But enough from me. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.